Munchkins, what's up? I hope you all are doing awesome. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, hello, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. If this is something that you love watching, then you should definitely go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. With that, press the bell icon so you are notified whenever I have a new video up. Alright, so today's video is going to be very chatty and informative because I recently came across this amazing ingredient and I truly believe that more people should start talking about this because it is such a great ingredient. At this point, we all know about hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, retinols, niacinamide, but we should be talking about this particular ingredient as well because it is really nice. So the ingredient I'm going to talk about today, it is called Pentavitin. It is a 100% naturally derived plant extract which is loaded with hydrating properties and binds deep within the layers of skin. The best part about this ingredient is that it provides deep hydration up to 72 hours, which is awesome. So if you have very dry or dull looking skin, this is going to be your best friend. This also helps in maintaining the skin's natural moisture while soothing and plumping the skin over time. So now very quickly I'll talk about the benefits of using this ingredient. If you have extremely dry skin, it will quickly hydrate your skin. It provides deep hydration for up to 72 hours, strengthens the skin barrier function. It is suitable for a leave-on or rinse-off formula. So if you're using a rinse-off formula, it will instantly hydrate your skin for 24 hours. Alright, so now that we all know what is Pentavitin and what are its benefits, today here I have 3 products that contain this particular ingredient. So the first one right here, it is from Derma Essentia. It is their cleansing lotion. I have another product from Derma Essentia which is their moisturizing foot cream, and lastly I have this acne moist cream which is from Curatio. Alright, so I'll start by talking about the Derma Essentia cleansing lotion. So this cleansing lotion is very mild and gentle on the skin, perfect for people who have normal to sensitive skin. This has no parabens, no sulfates, it is soap free and even cruelty free as well. Talking about the ingredients, this has aloe vera which helps in soothe irritated skin like sunburn, redness, itching and rashes. It also has glycerin which will make your skin look healthier, and of course Pentavitin which is the hero ingredient. The texture of this cleansing lotion is very light which gently takes off any dirt from the skin without making your skin feeling dry. Also, this product can be used with and without water. If you want to use this without water, take a liberal amount of the product, apply it on your face and massage it very gently, and then take a soft tissue or a soft cloth or a cotton pad if you want to, and just wipe off any excess product, leaving a thin film on the skin. But today I will be using this product with water, so I'll take a generous amount of product, apply it all over my face, gently massage it and then rinse it off with water. Next up I have the Curatio Acne Moist Cream, and wow, this moisturizer should be my current favorite product. I just love it so much. I use this literally during the day and even before going to bed. So this moisturizer is basically used to treat dryness after using acne medication. You all know last year I was dealing with a lot of acne. I went to the dermatologist and he gave me a lot of creams to apply on my face, and because of that my skin became so dry. I have addressed this issue in one of my previous videos that my skin has been feeling so dry because of all the acne medications, and I have tried so many moisturizers, I have even tried facial oils, but nothing worked for me. And boom, it literally helped me so much. My skin is definitely getting a lot better. So this moisturizer is very moisturizing and hydrating. It is even perfect for people who have oily skin because this is specially made for people who have acne prone skin. Even if you have oily skin, this will help you a lot because it is not oily, not sticky, it is very light on the skin and provides intense hydration. I have been using this moisturizer for over a month now. It did not clog my pores and it even did not break me out, which initially, I'll be honest, was my major concern, and it didn't. So I'm very happy and very satisfied with this product, and because of that I would highly recommend you all to definitely give this a try once. After I'm done washing my face, I'll take an adequate amount of moisturizer and apply it on my face and neck as well. And lastly, I have the Derma Essentia Moisturizing Foot Cream. I don't have cracked heels or cracked feet as such, but my mother does. She has been looking for a foot cream that is thick and moisturizing and something that would help her out with this issue. That's one of the reasons why I got this foot cream, and wow, she could see a visible difference only after 2 days of application, and she is so much happy now. Her feet are so soft and very moisturized, they do not look dry whatsoever. This foot cream has lavender oil in it, which helps cleanse the skin and also helps lessen redness and irritation. It also has calming properties to help you relax. The next ingredient in this is silver citrate, which has antibacterial properties, thus helps in preventing infection, and also it enhances the process of healing the skin. It also helps improve skin natural collagen production. The consistency of this foot cream is very thick and it's very moisturizing. I don't know if you guys can see, but my mom has literally finished using half of it and it's just really good. Overall, I love the ingredient Pentavitin, and I think everyone should start incorporating this particular ingredient in their routines. And I'm also in love with all the products I have shown today. Trust me, they work like magic and you need to try it once. These products don't look very fancy, but trust me, they are bomb. If you guys want to check out these products, I will link it in the description box below. Definitely make sure to check them out and let me know in the comments down below which product you really want to buy. I would love to know that. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments down below and I would be more than happy to help you all. If you enjoyed watching today's video, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. With that, press the bell icon so you are notified whenever I have a new video up. And with that, also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.